NKK Switches presents their engineering SmartSwitch development kits, which come in a variety of product combinations for improving design flexibility. 10 different kits are available, including 52 by 36mm OLED displays, 96 by 64mm frameless OLED displays, and LCD displays with screen sizes ranging from 36 by 24 to 64 by 32mm. Each kit includes either 1MB or 16MB of onboard NOR flash memory to store images, attributes, or any other information. Serial communication is possible via USB, and the kits are programmable to change their display to images based on a switch actuation or user-defined timers. To help with development efforts in firmware customization, schematics, and C language source codes are provided.